Open a Nedbank My Goals and Just Save account. Register on nedbankcup.co.za to stand a chance of winning money, 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 money. Welcome to all my fans onto TV. It's the Nedbank Cup. Orlando Pirates 1, Marumo 0. Don't forget to subscribe. Also like, click the link in the description to become a member. I'm joined by the double pivot itself. It's Jabs and Brakuto.
Stibo, me out to Ukraine.
Yeah, I'm nothing.
Stibo, we are here Escotiska Mabinzela, but next week it will be Escotiska Jehovah. They just kicked out Orlando Pirates for church things to just show you that just rent each and everywhere they go. Goran Stadium, they rent. They come here, they rent. They don't even have a clubhouse, but a big team in South Africa doesn't have a clubhouse and a stadium. But anyways, in South Africa, you know, you don't own a stadium when you're a football team. Only university teams, they own stadium. Yeah. So next week it will be Escotiska Jehovah. Imagine from Escotiska Mabinzela to Escotiska Jehovah. They blamed Sundowns when it was kicked out by the Bulls and everything. Right now it's them. So Stibo, come will always be there. But let's go into the game. Just be fast, Stibo. Pirates have formation, change formation from the last game. Last game never 5-2-3 Stibo. Today never 4-3 Stibo. Today they were not defending, they were just attacking Stibo. Go defense Kumana Bogazi Stibo. What do you say about the young man, the quality Stibo in that man? I am saying this to Hugo Bruce Stibo. If that boy feels take him Bafana. Let me just be fast, talk about Maketeni Makaula Stibo. I cannot do an interview without talking about Maketeni Makaula. That man makes football easy. He's not praised enough for Pirates. That man makes football easy, Stibo. At such age, Stibo, to see the best of Maketeni Makaula, Stibo. You ask yourself, where was Maketeni Makaula when he was 20 years old, 21 years old? But we don't blame those kind of things. He just showed up to many people. Just showing what age is just the number. No matter how old you are, you can still do it, bro. Maketeni Makaula, Stibo, making football easy. That man perfume Pirates because of sometimes was smell Rokitito or Mupasa, sometimes was smell Camarana Limbogazi or Mofastivo. Each and every time that man is involved, attacking attacking, he'll give you perfect of him. Stibo, defense and Hofer, go boxing, he'll always make those quality passes, Stibo. I'm getting that guy, now I'm done, Stibo. Midfield of the season for me, Stibo. Maketeni Makaula, man of the match for today, Maketeni Makaula, Stibo. That man, his quality, Stibo. But anyways, going forward, Stibo, come blame Mahopa, Stibo. Mahopa can't score when there's no challenge in Limpopo. What's not challenge? Score. Remember, there was Komoda Dance, he scored. There was Nonyani Dance, he scored. There was Shock Slam, he scored. Each and every time when there's a new challenge in Limpopo, he scored. Right now, they don't have a challenge in Limpopo. He's still waiting for a new challenge to score. But anyways, what do you say about Coach Jose Rivero? He creates the thing of five. I said it this last interview. I said this thing last game, Stibo, that there will be some teams who will copy the very same thing. Jose Rivero idea at the back of 3 center backs at like 5, Stibo. They will copy it, Stibo. Marumo Galas today came into the game at that thing 5. But remember, you cannot be an artist or create something break. He created the thing and break it, Stibo. That thing you can never break it. Can wing play. Jose and that guy Ohoto didn't give you quality today in terms of cross box because they know in the box there's a lot of players if Odari cross. But unfortunately, Nadalaga in the middle, Stibo. All of them hope to play between our defenders, Stibo. But anyway, Stibo, because of the grace of Mamelodi Sundowns showing us the quality of their training. Remember, Mamelodi Sundowns is the only team that can show us their training, Stibo. Harry Oloftas want training against some useless team that is there in Naturena, Stibo. Arvai, Stibo. But Maketeni Makaula for me, man of the match, Stibo. I don't care who says what. Buthelezi, you can blame. I know people will blame Buthelezi. Buthelezi is a great goalkeeper, but not a modern goalkeeper. Definitely. He's an old version of being a goalkeeper. Those things, sorry, Bolo, he doesn't know them. Yes. He doesn't have legs. But quality, shooter. Each and every time I shoot a ball in the box, so credit to the man. If he's given game time, quality high, Stibo.
That Korea Pirates was 20,000 rand.
What's one Arikuman 20,000 rand? This Nedbank, they make noise. Have you ever heard Nedbank saying this is the win of 20,000 rand? Have you ever Black Label here? This is the win of the thing. Only MTN 8 is the only one that shows the last man standing that he's give 1 million. Nedbank Arakarabona Silo. Baskator Tapela, change us. We just make it Vodacom Cup because of they don't give us anything. So it's useless. Each and every season, Uzenenye. Each and every season, Uzenenye. New competition, Uzenenye. But I do keep it quiet. Barata show of Kacheltanya Labo Sarfiona. Jango.